The birth of wood plastic products is a wonderful transformation. Using waste wood and plastic waste as raw materials. After being processed and formed by Yongte WPC machinery, high-quality WPC products with both wood, texture and plastic performance are created. So how are WPC products made? First step, the production of wood powder. Yongte wood powder production equipment can make wood powder from agricultural and forestry waste such as logs, sawdust, rice husks, and wheat straw. Second step, the recycling of plastics. Yongte plastic recycling equipment can make PP or PE plastic waste such as bottles or film or bags or cans into clean plastic flakes after crushing, cleaning, drying, and other processes. Third step, mixing of raw materials. According to the formula provided by Yongte, wood powder, plastic, and auxiliary agents are put into a high-speed mixer for mixing. Fourth step, the manufacture of wood plastic compound WPC pellets. The mixture is transported to Yongte WPC granulation machine. The WPC granulation machine is equipped with a high-efficiency parallel twin-screw extruder, specially designed for wood plastic composition, high-speed hot pelletizing system, and fast 3-stage air cooling system. The wood powder ratio can reach 60-70. And the produced WPC pellets are evenly mixed and well plasticized to ensure the quality of the final product. Fifth step, extrusion and molding of WPC profiles. The WPC pellets are put into the Yongte WPC profile extrusion line. The equipment adopts a specially designed conical twin-screw extruder, die head and mold specially built for wood plastic materials, online 3D embossing device, high-speed cooling system, powerful traction device, and automatic cutting system. The production process is efficient and stable, and each link is precisely controlled, which greatly improves the production capacity. The WPC products produced by this machine have stable dimensions, neat cutting surfaces without burrs, realistic and vivid wood grains, and excellent product performance. Wood plastic products are widely used in many fields such as construction, home furnishing, and gardening because of their advantages such as beautiful and practical, waterproof and moisture-proof, excellent physical properties, environmental protection and renewability, and convenient processing. Welcome customers to visit Yongte. We shall be glad to show you our high-quality working process and provide you turnkey production service.